now we're in the pits area. Who's this guy? You up, pal? Good luck, Will.
To preserve the freedoms of each and every American.
All right, we are up on the track now. Across the wall.
Way back to the 49th running of the Indy500 car.
Thanks.
Now, watch the video screen for a fan voice you what makes the Indy500 the greatest spectacle of racing, followed by a very special 30-second countdown. When we get to 0, we need you to get on your feet and welcome the world. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to welcome the world to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway for the 102nd running of the Indianapolis 500.
Mr. Evan Carr and Ms. Reagan Carr. It's great to have you here. Next in the Chevrolet Silverado, representing the Special Forces Operational Judgment Alpha 595. Please welcome Mark Nooch and Will Summers.
He's got the green flag. The honorary starter's ready to go. Are you ready to go? Here we go. The front row is in turn number 3. Into the short chute. They're lined up. Eyes on the starter as the field now begins to bunch up in turn number 4. The 102nd running of the greatest spectacle in racing. It's the Indianapolis 500. Eyes on the starter. Green flag wave. He's in turn number 3. Let's bring him to turn 4. Here we go, fans. Wide side coming up for Will Power. It is 11 started in Indianapolis. White flag now for Will Power. 2.5 miles to go. Will Power and Team 50. Turn 1. East. Backstretch for Will Power. Not going to have enough, is he? It doesn't look like it. Here he is in turn number 3. Will Power in 3. On your feet, fans. Here we go.